Atu and a very good evening. These are our top stories for tonight. It has been a sad start to the new year for the island, as not only did the country farewell a former Minister for Parliament in January, the country last week farewelled former Member of Parliament Tukala Makamo Heko.
Tukala Makamo, or better known as Makamo Heko, won the Alofi South Village seat during the 8th Assembly 1993 elections. He was a member for the tenure up until 1996, with Premier at the time, Honourable Frank Koismanavalui. During his tenure as Member of Parliament, Mr Heko represented in the Public Expenditure Committee as with the Commonwealth Parliamentary Association, CPA Niue Branch. The Public Expenditure Committee required a strenuous task pertaining to managing government financials, where in his capacity Mr Heko would assist as assigned by government authorities. This will generally entail assisting with government budgets annually. Commonwealth Committee was a separate and supporting financial arm for government, with the task of Mr Heko to help seek aid to assist with the functions of various groups here in Niue, namely the women's and youth groups, and with supporting other core government functions. Mr Heko also helped oversee Niue's annual Constitution celebrations, as well as assisting with government and foreign affairs matters, both national and international. With his love of attending to his plantation and providing for his family, Mr Heko, needless to say, also had a great presence in Niue's agricultural sector, having spent time under government in that sector. Mr Heko was tremendously influential in both church and family, with sentiments resonating, being a very hardworking man and one that highly encouraged greatness in everything that you do. Makamo Heko was laid to rest last Tuesday at his family grounds in Tapeo. BCN News, Katrina Toefasi.
Road upgrading works continues. The road repair program started from Tamakotonga. Currently in Avasele, workers continue to tar seal the roads. Resources being used to seal potholes are tar and makasia chips. Works at Avasele is expected to continue over a 5-week period. Other areas that will be tar sealed are Tuapa to Makefu, Mutalo to Toi, Waipapahi, Avasele to Waia, and Mutalo to Lakepa. The road repair program is subject to the weather and external factors. The department also continues to advise motorists to slow down along the southern roads, whilst the civil and quarry staff work to avoid any incidents. The Centre of Tropical Disturbance 06F, or TD 06F in short, was analysed near 15 degrees latitude south and 170 degrees longitude west at 10 a.m. this morning, and is moving south-southwest at 18 kilometres per hour. About 111 kilometres west of New Afu'o in Tonga, or 756 kilometres west-northwest of Niue. The Weather Office states potential for the tropical depression to develop into a tropical cyclone in the next 24 to 48 hours is moderate. The tropical depression is located at square J10 on Niue's cyclone tracking map. Most global models have picked up the system and move it towards the southwest with further investigation. Many parents and carers lead busy lifestyles, and it's simply not possible to take their children for health checks all the time or even annually.
In benefiting Niue's healthcare system processes and the Niue schools, this is where Niue 4 hospital staff play a great role by conducting health checkups in both primary and high school annually. Health checks were held at Niue High School today and yesterday. 8 of the Niue 4 health staff were available at any time, checking weight, hearing, eyesight and more.
We've been really fortunate to have the support of all the parents as well as the teachers, so that we are able to actually monitor the progress of the students. So those who have health issues like eye problems and needing glasses, we refer back to the hospital so that we can put them on the specialist visit clinics. So when the consultants come or the specialists come, they also get assessed by them. So those who need glasses will also be prescribed glasses to help with their learning. So last year alone we had 20 kids who were issued some glasses to help them. So with the hearing testing as well, we are able to refer them back to us at the hospital. So we have the equipments that we now have. We are fortunate to have purchased those after the training that we had with a research student from New Zealand, Auckland Unitec, last year. So we're also expecting the results of their research for both schools this year to see what other recommendations that they have in terms of the improvement of the hearing and the ear health of the students. So in terms of the dental clinics, we are also able to refer back the students with oral health problems so that our team could also attend to their dental caries or whatever it is, fillings of the teeth that they would need. So those kind of things has been very, very useful for us. Instead of waiting for the parents to bring the children to us, we are coming out and assessing their health and referring them back to us to help.
A remarkable difference over the years, Griselda noted, was that increase of headaches and not sleeping on time due to the prolonged time spent on gadgets or watching TV. She also explained with the current prevalence of non-communicable diseases, the parents and carers continue to take preventive measures in opting for health local fruits and produce as opposed to the large and easily accessible array of sweet drinks and foods available in stores. In helping with the betterment of our children's health, the Niuefo'ou Hospital has a presence with the school throughout the year, as better explained by Principal Public Health Officer Griselda Mokuia.
We have a better relationship with the teachers as well as the parents. So we have opportunities to come back and do health promotion awareness programs around nutrition, exercise, smoking, alcohol, all of the health issues that affects the kids. So that is an opportunity that's given to us. And again, this year we have also put our hands up to say that we'd be interested to come back on board and continue those programs. We also work alongside Mrs. Maria Jackson, who teaches the health curriculum in the school. So whenever she has her health classes and she needs a hand, she also invites us to come along and help her with the teaching of the kids.
The health checks for Niue's primary school is due in the forthcoming weeks.
His Excellency Kirk Yates has informed that the new New Zealand High Commission office is well underway and that it should be completed this April.
As you know, a new office to replace the old office, which is about 70 years old, and that one will be deconstructed or torn down, if you like, and turned into a car park because it's past its use by date. There's some dangerous materials that are in there, and it's just not, we don't have enough meeting rooms, and so this new facility we're very excited about, which basically will, it signals a continuing presence of New Zealand in Niue, of course, as the Constitution provides for, and to represent our enduring close relations.
His Excellency expressed there'd be an invitation extended to the public to visit the new premises once ready. That ends our news for tonight and this week. We hope you can join us next week. Have a great weekend. Nona foa, moi monuena.